Good, welcome to Crypto Bytes. I hope you're all doing well, keeping safe. I told you guys I've I sold off most of my positions, and I've been kind of watching the markets just because when it's a bear market, I've learned there's really no point in trading. Like honestly, most things are going to be dumping hard. It's going to be really hard to make any profit on a lot of these projects. Yeah, random things will go up and do quite well, but it will be quite random hit and miss. So I've just learned that it's not really worth trading in these times unless you're gonna kind of do it full time and put in the effort to figure out where those fewer opportunities are, and timing those, because obviously it's a bear market, so they pump quicker and they dump quite quickly, because obviously people aren't willing to hold on to these tokens as they would be on in a bull market. But anyway, moving on. All right, so I've been watching the markets, and there hasn't been too many projects that I wanted to kind of bring to you guys. But one of them that I have found that I'm invested in, I've been invested in it for a few days, that I think it's time to bring to you guys is Bezoge. So Bezoge is a meme coin on Ethereum blockchain. I know we normally talk about Binance Smart Chain coins here. I think I saw Rise and a couple of other good ones pop up, but I feel like we've missed that boat. But Bezoge is at a key point, and I think it's very likely we're going to see some really, really solid price movement. Okay, so first we'll talk about Bezoge. So Bezoge is a meme token. They've got like a little iOS game coming up. I think they're releasing it like the next day, or I think no, it's already released. And then they've got a bigger game they're working on, I believe. So they'll be kind of pushing out a series of games. They've got quite a big team. They own a gaming company in China, so they've got quite a solid team, to be honest. They've got the Bezos tracker tracking, the tokenomics, the value locked in it, burnt, market cap, etc. And yeah, so you can go through, read out the website. To be honest, it's so far it looks really good, but you've seen a lot of the projects I cover, so this isn't particularly unique for kind of a meme coin, or a higher quality meme coin. What does make this special is the stuff that you guys won't really have access to. So this is stuff you'd have to learn from spending time in a group chat and having a certain kind of network in crypto. So these guys are based in China. They own a gaming company. They've got a ton of cash. They're kind of launching a Kishu style marketing campaign. I believe Kishu had a little pump because they had a billboard on in Dubai on one of the Burj Khalifa or something like that. They had one kind of crazy marketing ploy that really pumped the price a few days ago. I think it was not about last week. And so Bezoge is kind of really on that level. They've hired a PR firm. They've got their game coming out. They're going to be marketing that. And they signed a back end contract with TikTok. So guys, safe moon, safe earth, and those kind of projects, some of them did quite well because of the TikTok marketing. A lot of them did very well off the back of that. And if you've been on TikTok and crypto, you see that there's people shilling all kinds of meme coins on there. And so the fact that Bezoge has managed to nab a back end contract with TikTok is really, really bullish. Yeah, and the fact that they are very serious. Like, they've got the team, because of their gaming company. They've got 10 plus full-time engineers working on their products. They've got a solid website. They've got a game already out. Game looks okay. It's not groundbreaking, but it looks decent quality. They've got more coming, and this one just looks like a really, really solid play. So with that being said, those are the kind of things that that's always the kind of context of how these coins do well, because a lot of the time we see a lot of these coins, baby shib, Shiba Pop, XYZ, and it's hard to kind of find out the background information and see why these will do well. So let's look at the charts. So Bezoge is looking really good in the chart. So it came out, did its little run here, it's come back down, and now it's going to touch support. Now this looks very similar to this, guys. Yeah, looks very, very similar to this. And so I think that's it. I think we're just going to catch it on a dip. We're going to wait. They've got a lot of big announcements coming. They've got their PR marketing starting, marketing campaign starting. They've got their PR agency hired. They've got further games coming up, and they've got their back end deal with TikTok. So I think at the moment it's around the 14 million market cap, but I see this doing quite well. I don't see this kind of dying here. I expect a third wave. on final kind of third wave. Yeah, so let's see how that pans out. But if we follow the support line, I think we're getting very close to touching that support line. If you want to do, you could draw wedges. It's following the wedge pattern as well. Quite a solid wedge pattern. Yeah, same here. Okay, or you could think of this one as a channel. Let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, well, it depends on however you want to think about it, but yeah. So very solid. So I think at this point, 18th, 19th of June. So in about 2 to 3 days, let's say 3 days, I expect to see a really large spike in volume and price. So that's all for this video, guys. It's Bezoge Earth, core team based in China, lots of money to spend, PR firm, full-time team of software engineers working on their games, back-end deal with TikTok, and a lot more coming up for this project. And that's what I want to bring to you. So keep an eye on this. It's available on Uniswap, and that's all I have for this video. All right, stay safe out there, guys. Peace.